Right mananap. So this is the black-felled cricket. Malaki, adult size black-felled cricket. Kaya tawag na kuliglig. At dito sa amin ay serum-serum. Adult size. So, kumakain ito ng maliliit na insekto. Black-felled cricket. Yun, no? Adult size po yan. So, you have to release it. Dahil felled cricket siya, so you have to release it.